As we have talked about earlier, Mother Earth is awakening. Mother Earth is trying to get our attention. She has some things that she would like for us to remember from old traditions. And so what helped our Native American people was an old drawing, an old round shield, even though it was not at all for protection. But it represented some of the ideas that a day would come when people of all of the world, the earth people, would come together. And in the seventh fire, which is now, that some of the teachings of this ancient drawing could bring the family back together again. That doesn't mean everyone is to believe the same. It means a relationship allowing everyone their choices, and yet we are all a part of Mother Earth. And we need to care for Mother Earth again, because all traditions have had a journey of starting with planet Earth and Mother Earth, and then somehow in the cycle of things, we have found ourselves away from Mother Earth. And then in the cycle of life, Mother Earth is a lot more active now. And she's drawing us back to not only thinking about Mother Earth, but maybe learning from Mother Earth. So I bring some of these teachings that seem to be Native American, but I think they're also more that Mother Earth has some ideas that we would like to consider that might help to bring together the family. Because one of the simple ideas of Mother Earth is that all of us feel the gravity that Mother Earth has. And that's reminding all of us that some way Mother Earth and the love of the Creator holds every life form equally. That Mother Earth cares for every life form, whether that's the fish or the animal and the tree and humans, but she holds, like the Creator is reminding us, equally upon all life forms. I think that could be a valuable idea. Because it's real easy to think, oh, we are better, or we have the truth, and nobody else does. And we're more important in all of those interesting discussions. But the teachings of Mother Earth, I believe, is reminding us that we can become family because each person is important. And each person is loved equally by the great divine, the Creator. These are difficult ideas, not necessary beliefs, because Indian people did not have the word belief in our language. When we visited the elders gave their ideas and their opinions, but they wanted us to be okay with whatever we chose, because we would not make any mistakes in life. But we would learn something from everything that would happen to us. So life was about learning and not about following beliefs at all. Something to think about anyway. Because it's so important to honor what choices that people make, and then how to learn from those choices. Let's remind ourselves what the Peace Shield is all about. Around the Great Lakes area of America, there was a tradition connected to the Ojibwe. Their old name is Anishinaabe. And a long, long time ago, before colonization, there was easily 25 or 30 Peace Shield teachers. And they traveled and were among lots and lots of villages around the Great Lakes area as far as they could get. And it was their purpose in life to speak in behalf of Mother Earth. To remind our tribal people that there are two classrooms that humans, Native American people, can learn from. We can learn from our experiences where we grow up, whatever our traditions are, whatever we are remembering in this particular lifetime. Each one of us have something of that library and those memories. Because even though I'm speaking of ancient old times, of when there were various over 500 Indian tribes, that each one grew with certain traditions and customs. Even today, each one of you walk with a storage of information that needs to be given honor. And maybe perhaps, like in the old days, there can be something to balance us. That helped our Indian people to come into some kind of balance with growing up a certain way, and yet Mother Earth would remind us that we're all related. Not only related within the Okla Choctaw tribe, as for me, but we're also related to all of the other folks. In some kind of mysterious way.